So guys, finally the time I have come to taste the recipe. So I will let you know how is the taste, and because I use basic ingredients, I didn't use any special thing in it. I'm just going to taste it and will let you know. Taste is good but there is a need of some salt, but I prefer not to use a salt because I do work out, so I avoid sweet and salt. Let me check the voice first before I start the video. Okay, fine. Hi, this is your friend Sasank. Today, recent previous recipe I made a pomfret fish fry, and that used a lot of oil. So basically, since 28th of February, I do go to gym. Since I started going workout, so I decided to take a healthy food. I will recommend you a healthy recipe. So I'm gonna share a tomato recipe today in this video, in this blog. Let me tell you what ingredients you should have. I have a tomato, 2 pieces and 1 onion, and you must have a carrot and coriander stick, and you can use a leaf, but I am using a stick only. And here I have a green chili, only one you can use, and ginger. So you should use garlic. I have garlic 5 in piece, and as much good for health. It boosts your ginger boost your immunity system, even improve your digestion system. And palak is good for athlete. Without wasting our time, let's get started with the recipe. So here I am showing you 1 carrot and 1 onion, 2 pieces in tomatoes, and 2 to 3 coriander stick with leaves. Near the palak, cabbage, tulsi leaf, green chili, and ginger 5 in piece, and this one is garlic that boosts your immunity system and also improve your digestion system. So I'm gonna chop each ingredients one by one, so just keep with me and enjoy the recipe. Just make sure the tomato and all ingredients must be cut in the small pieces. That will help to cook very easily. Otherwise it may get stuck in the vessel. So I am set aside the tulsi leaf, and finally here we go. And let's get started with the tomato sauce. Sorry, let's get started with the tomato soup. So here all ingredients have cut into pieces into small pieces. So now first of all, you have to place a small vessel for cooking, and before putting that, just turn on the burner, okay, and make sure flame should be low. As always, I suggest in every cooking, because this is the master trick of cooking. When you cook any recipe on low flame, it puts a lot of effort of taste and aroma in that. So that's why I am suggesting you. So I'm not going to use any oil in this recipe, as before I told you already, guys. So now just pour 1 glass of water into the vessel like this, and just wait a couple of minutes to get the water heat up. Finally, the time have come to pour all the ingredients into the fry pan. Now you can see over here, just look at this. There is a little bit swirl of bubbles of water. It means it's getting heat. So I'm not going to wait for a long time, so it's enough for heating. There a little bit swirl of water bubbles, so I'm just going to add all this. So likewise, just set aside all the ingredients and take a water according to need, because you must have a half of the water and of the vessel size, because if you put all the water up to the level of the mark of the vessel, so it will it may come outside. So make sure I have put all these and let it boil. Well, I had taken off the vessel to get down the temperature of the tomato soup. So now the next procedure is I'm gonna set aside all the ingredients into the grinder. So guys, finally the time I have come to taste the recipe. So I will let you know how is the taste, and because I use basic ingredients, I didn't use any special thing in it. So I'm just going to taste it and will let you know. Taste is good but there is a need of some salt, but I prefer not to use a salt because I do work out, so I avoid sweet and salt. But I had used black pepper in it while I was cooking. I would like to eat egg with soup, and here some, let me show you, here some salad, cucumber and carrot, and the lemon. So today's dinner, this for me, that I can get improvement to my immune system, and also improve my digestive, to get energy and protein, that I can able to do work more tomorrow morning at the gym. Enjoy and try it your home and eat healthy. Bye. Thank you.
And also do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share the video. आपके एक शेयर से कुछ नहीं जाएगा आपका, लेकिन मेरा मोरल स्ट्रांग होगा. सो गाइज प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो और वीडियो को शेयर कर दो, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं एक नया रेसिपी आपके लिए लेके आऊँ. धन्यवाद.